Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today, another unboxing video. So this one we have sent to us. It is the Icefox action camera. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, action camera videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. So today we have the Icefox ultra high definition 4K action camera to unbox. Now I took it out of the shipping box, but I haven't taken it out of this. So we haven't opened this yet. I don't know what's in here. Disclaimer, this was sent to me for the purposes of a review. This company reached out and said, hey, we've seen your videos on action cameras. Would you like to review ours? This is available on Amazon. I will have a link to it in the description below. But we're going to unbox it today, and then I'm going to test it just like I do every other action camera that I have. I'm going to test it, and then I'm going to come back and give you more than one video on this camera to determine, so you can determine if it's worth it for you. So this is the Icefox UHD ultra high definition 4K. If I'm not mistaken, they have a 5K one, but this is the one that we have. It says that it is waterproof to 40 meters, dual screen, Wi-Fi, ultra high definition 4K. Let's get into it. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So before we get into it, let's check out the box. All right, so when I do my beard product reviews, I'm always looking at packaging and the way things look. So we've got a really colorful front of the box label here. We've got a bunch of pictures here from action cameras. Our side here just says Icefox. The back's got some product information, and the bottom has some product information. So let's get into it. So we're gonna, it's not taped, of course. It came in a shipping box. Let's see. All right, so we open up like so. Okay. All right, so we have a product manual, it looks like, pretty thick here. I hope that's not all instructions. So there we go. We've got, let's see, looks like 2 batteries. Got 2 batteries. What size are these? These are, get that, well, if I can get it off my hand, static. These are 1350 milliamp. So 2 batteries. Keep those to the side. Here is, what is that? Here is the camera. So we have a waterproof housing. So I'm guessing this is where it's 40 meters waterproof, is in this housing. Very similar to all the other ones that we've used when it comes to the mounting options. So let's wait a minute to get into this. Let's see what all else we have in this box. There you go. But that's the camera. We'll keep that handy. We got a box here with accessories. There's something else in there. I can't tell what it is. So this is where our accessories come in. Okay, so this is gonna be our standard action camera accessories. So all the mounting options, remote, all that looks pretty standard. Nothing crazy on the surface. All right, so let's get that to the side. And of course, we're gonna do other videos. This is just a first impression video. What do I think about it? And this is where our camera was sitting here under this. Oh my, it comes with an external mic, which is pretty awesome. So it comes with its own external mic. You do not have to buy separately. So there's that. That's pretty cool. Claim your warranty by registering now. Get a free 1-year warranty extension. So there you go. Let's see. All right, so let's bust into this and check out the camera and give our first impression. So standard waterproof housing. It's going to clip pop open that way, and then that pops open. Okay, so kind of lightweight. I'm already seeing something that I really like about this camera, and that is the fact that it has a tripod mount built into the camera. So if you don't need it for waterproofness, you can mount it to the tripod mount. We've got everything standard on the outside. We've got SD card, micro SD card, the USB, and the HDMI port. We have a front screen. We're going to test all this out. Overall, it's very lightweight. I'm gonna slide one of these batteries in and see if, number one, if it's got any juice. And then, okay, so our battery compartment is not connected. That was one of my critiques on another brand camera, is that the battery compartment is not attached. And out in the field, like we are today, you run the risk of losing that. So let's get that in there. And power button. Oh, it does come with a little bit of juice. It comes on Icefox. And okay, not terrible on that. It says select mode. It is touch screen. That's another thing. That's another plus. So this is gonna fall in line with those budget-friendly action cameras, but it has all the features so far. Click settings, album. It's got all the stuff. We've got QR codes. Enjoy your 4K sports camera. And there we go. So you can see me, kind of, it's blurry, but screen looks very similar to some of the others we have used and tested. Okay. First impression, I'm gonna say pretty well built and pretty good. How do we flip to front screen? That's a power button. Let's see if it does this one. That's the way you do it. All right, cool. All right, so we figured out how to flip to front screen. Front screen is going to show you your time, how much you have left on your card, how much you are recording, and what you are shooting in. So you can see that there. Maybe you can see my camera. So yeah, 4K 30 frames per second is what it's built in, and the battery is full charge. It says the battery is fully charged. We have a full battery, and wow, there's a lot of features on this, so I'm gonna have to dig into this. But first impression is the Icefox 4K is pretty awesome. So we're gonna dig into this. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned, because I'm gonna dig into this camera. I'm gonna do tutorials. I'm gonna do pros and cons. I'm gonna dig into this camera and show you how to do all the stuff with this camera that you can. All right, so if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. And let's power down. And we're powering down, and it is off. I'm leaving the screen protectors on for now, but yeah. So it's kind of it's hard to really tell what this is. It's not quite a silicone kind of feel outside. It's just a soft feel on the outside. But doesn't feel very rugged. But you get what you pay for. It doesn't feel very rugged. But again, if you like what you see already, there will be a link in the description below for this camera. And get over, check it out over on Amazon. It is the Icefox 4K, and then stay tuned for more videos on this camera. All right, have you ever heard of Icefox cameras, period, much less the 4K, 5K, any of them? Have you ever heard of the Icefox cameras? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and these will go in our action camera playlist, and you'll be able to watch all these videos. So I'll see you there. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.